Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the packaging and serial. Start now. Find the serial on the box and on the underside of the right ear cup, then compare them. Mismatches are immediate red flags. Once done, examine print quality and the Apple logo. Counterfeits often use dull ink or misaligned embossing. Make sure the lightning cable and case are present and feel premium. Cheap plastics or loose fittings suggest imitation. This step prevents wasted time later. Now move to hands-on checks. Feel the weight and build. Real AirPods Max have strong magnets, crisp mesh, and solid hinges. Loose parts indicate fake. Next, pair with your iPhone. Authentic units trigger a smart connection animation and show the exact model name and firmware. Then test active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and spatial audio. Genuine units switch modes instantly and maintain consistent soundstage. Make sure the controls are smooth, and the digital crown clicks with a precise detent. Finish by confirming software identification and warranty. Go to Settings Bluetooth while connected, tap the info icon, and verify the serial matches the box and Apple's coverage lookup. The site will validate authenticity. Run music and call tests across bass, mid, treble, and monitor battery drain for abnormal loss. If something fails, reset the headphones, update firmware via a paired Apple device, and if still faulty, contact Apple with the serial. Troubleshooting tip: inconsistent serials or no Apple coverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.